Okay, well today your Sew What Seamstress is going to be here in spirit. And for those of you who have a sewing machine that has, this is my Kenmore, that has what's called an automatic threader. Well, we know automatic is not automatic. Your automatic threader on your machine should be located right here, where it's a lever that pulls down, just like that. That's what it is on this machine. Now, your needle has to be in the highest position. So you want to turn your hand wheel till that needle is in the highest position. And as you can see, the needle bar or threader is in the highest position here. Otherwise, see that, actually that is. So that's the highest position when this pops up. And then you're going to, when you thread your machine, and you thread it, and you come through this guide here to get it into the needle, okay? This is what we're going to attempt to do. So I'm going to unthread it, okay? So with that in mind, what you do is you pull your automatic threader down and you push it back. I'm trying to do this one-handed. So now this portion, this little guy, there's a wire in here. And it goes through the needle and it pokes out. It's really tiny, you can't really see it. And you take your thread under this metal piece in the front. Oops, see, this one's got really spring-loaded. So I'm going to attempt to prop this up so you can actually see this baby work. Let's see how close we can get. Get pretty close. Let's see if I can get this to sit still in place so that you can see. Okay, now the needle threader, I'm pulling it down, pushing it forward. You take your thread across under that this little metal hook kind of thing right here, right? And you bring it back. My fingers are getting in the way. Okay, so I bring it back across the front. Now can you see the thread? And where the two little metal guys are here that are on either side of the needle, that's where you want to pull it, hold it up under. And then you're going to let that hook pull that thread through for you. And it pulls it up to the back. Now you got to be careful that you don't let it pull it back through, and you just pull the thread through, and now you have threaded your needle. So we'll do that one more time. I'm going to try to see if I can get you a better angle. Okay, so push it down, tilt it forward, wrap it under that little metal hook in the front. That's just to guide the thread so that you can pull it across to in front of the needle, let it grab it, and let it go. Well, this one's really well spring-loaded. This is a really good automatic needle threader. So it's not difficult. And I had a friend who said she was lost with the automatic needle threader. And that is how you use your automatic needle threader. Please feel free to leave comments in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up. And we'll see you on the next tutorial. If you have any questions about how to work something on your machine, please feel free to let me know, and I will make a video for you. God bless and keep on sewing.